with the right fitment on your exhaust tips, which is really a matter of personal taste. Do you want them stuck out a little bit further? Do you want them recessed? Do you want them enough that you can see the Valvetronic logo? That's going to be entirely up to you. Now, a couple of things we want to talk about. Now, what is different about this car with its aftermarket back box is that it had two valve controllers where the Z4 normally only has one. So here's the OEM cable on this side. Now, the new valve controller is not going to use this line. So when you unplug this, you're going to take it, you're going to want to secure it back up behind the heat shielding in a place where it's going to be safe and dry. So right now you can see it's all set up. I've also put a little bit of electrical tape over the contacts to make sure that they don't get wet. Now, if you look up in here, you should see right here that I've got the cables for the new valve controller already routed down through the heat shield. And I'm going to show you that we actually routed this down through the trunk, because up in here, and it's easier to see on the inside once we get there, there is drain plugs essentially that we can pull, that we can get a pass-through for these cables where we're going to hardwire in the controller. So get your exhaust tips on, or excuse me, get your exhaust branches on, and we'll get your exhaust tips on, and then I'll show you what we did with the valve controller. All right, y'all, so let me walk you through these last couple of steps, because what we wanted to do was hardwire the controller in. So when you look at the controller box, it has the ability to run wires all the way up and plug them into a light socket, or you can hardwire directly into your fuse block. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to find an accessory fuse, which in this case we found here. You pull out the accessory fuse, and the hardwire cable you plug in its place, and then plug the fuse into the top of the block right there. So hopefully you can see what that looks like. This routes down, and the box itself is hidden back behind the carpet here.